Good day everyone! We are the Group 1 and we will report about Module 5, Grammar and Correct Usage. Lesson 13, Giving and Receiving. I'm your reporter, Miss Villarico, together with Miss Villarisco, Miss Shoson, and Miss Yepes.
Let's start with vocabulary. Kirumas or cut or slice.
Okurimas or send. Agemas or give. Moraimas or receive. Kashimas or lend. Karimas or borrow. Oshimas or teach. Naraimas or learn. Kakemas or make telephone call.
Te or hands.
11. Hashi, chopstick. 12. Spoon, spoon. 13. Knifeu, knife. 14. Foku, fork. 15. Hasami, scissors. 16. Fakusu, fax. 17. Wapuro, word processor. 18. Pasokon, personal computer. 19. Panchi, punch. 20. Hochikisu, stapler.
0 te-pu, scotch tape. Te-shigomu, eraser. Kami, paper. Hana, flower. Shatsu, shirt. Puresento, present or gift. Nimotsu, baggage or parcel. Okane, money. Kitsupu, ticket. Kurisumas, Christmas.
Chichi or my father. Haha or my mother. Otosan or someone else father. Okasan or someone else mother. Mu or already. Mada or not yet. Korekara from now on or soon. Suteki desu ne. What a nice.
First particle that I am going to discuss is particle de. Particle de. We all know from the previous topic, we use particle de in verbs denoting movement. Ikimasu, kimasu, kaerimasu. Particle de indicates means of transportation, but when you walk, you shouldn't use particle de. Instead, you will use the expression aruite. Aruite. Does that ring a bell for you? Now let's go to my topic. In my topic, we are going to use particle de in tool and method. The particle de also indicates a method or mean used for an action. So, it is not only used for vehicle, but also we will use it for tool and method. Our pattern 1 is noun, tool method, plus particle de, plus verb. For you to understand well, here is my way. Oops, take note, get a pen and paper. 1. Hashi de tabimasu, or I eat with chopsticks. Hashi de tabimasu. Hashi means chopsticks, the tool, plus the particle de in the middle, and the verb tabimasu or to eat. Me. Supon de tabimasu, or I eat with spoon. Supon means spoon, the tool, plus the particle de in the middle, and the verb tabimasu or to eat. San. Watashi wa te de tabimasu, or I eat with my hands. It is very typical to us Filipinos to eat with bare hands, even it is breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Because for us, it is much better to eat if we just use our bare hands. Te means hand. Hand, the method. Plus the particle de in the middle and the verb tabimasu or to eat. Now, let's make it more harder. Yon. Watashi wa hashi de asagohan o tabemasu. Watashi wa hashi de asagohan o tabemasu. I eat breakfast with chopsticks. Watashi wa means I, myself. Hashi means chopsticks or the tool, plus asagohan or breakfast, the food, plus tabemasu or to eat, the verb. Go. Watashi wa naifu de niko o kirimasu. Watashi wa naifu de niko o kirimasu. Or, I cut meat with a knife. Watashi wa means I, myself. Naifu means knife or the tool, plus the particle de. Particle de. Niku or meat, the food, plus o kirimasu or to cut, the verb.
For pattern number 2 is word or sentence plus wa plus language plus de nandesu ka. This question is used to ask how to say a word or a sentence in other languages. For example, when someone asks you, arigato wa ego de nandesu ka, you will reply with thank you desu. This sentence means what is arigato in English? It's thank you. Example number 1. Ashita wa eigo de nandesu ka? Tomorrow desu. Example 2. Kino wa eigo de nandesu ka? Yesterday desu. Example number 3. Kado wa eigo de nandesu ka? Corner desu. Example number 4. Choto mate kudasai wa eigo de nandesu ka? Please wait for a while desu. And example number 5. Ohayo gozaimasu wa eigo de nandesu ka? Good morning desu.
For pattern 3, noun person. Particle ni agemasu. Verbs like agemasu, toshimasu, oshimasu need persons to whom you give, lend, teach, etc. The persons are marked with particle ni. Example: Mr. Yamada gave flowers to Miss Kimura. For translation, Yamada-san wa Kimura-san ni hana o agemashita. I will give a bag to my mother's birthday tomorrow. For translation, ashita watashi wa haha no tanjubu ni kaban o agemasu. The teacher teaches English language to the students every day. For translation, mainichi sensei wa gakusei ni ego o oshimasu. The bank lent to Mr. Tanaka yesterday. For translation, kino kinko wa Tanaka-san ni okane o kashimashita. Mr. Ben make a phone call to ABC company tonight. For translation, konban bensan wa ABC kaijahe denwa o kakimasu.
The fourth sentence pattern will be noun, open parenthesis, person, close parenthesis, ni, moraimasu, etc. Please remember, verbs like moraimasu, garimasu, and naraimasu express action from the receiving side. The person from whom you receive these actions are marked with ni. The sentence pattern will be receiver, wa, giver, ni, direct object, o, and receiving verb. Example, Kimura-san wa Yamada-san ni hana o moraimashita. Or, Miss Kimura received flowers from Mr. Yamada. As you can see, Kimura-san is the receiver, followed by particle wa, Yamada-san the giver, followed by particle ni and the direct object, which is hana, followed by o, and the receiving verb moraimashita. Another example, watashi wa sensei ni nihongo o naraimasu, or I learned Japanese from the teacher. Next example, Karina-san ni CD o karimashita, or I borrowed CD from Miss Karina. Please take note, kara is used instead of ti in the sentence pattern. When you receive something from organization like school or company, only kara is used. Example, ginko kara o kani o karimashita, or I borrowed some money from the bank. As you can see, we use kara instead of ni because we received something from the organization, which is ginko. Another example, viewing kara repoto o moraimashita, or I received report from the hospital. Last example, daigaku kara marketingu o naraimashita, or I learned marketing from the university. For the last sentence pattern, we have mo, verb, mashita. Mo means already, and it is used with verb mashita. In this case, verb mashita means that the action has been finished. The answer to the question mo, verb mashita ka is hai, verb mashita, or iye marides. For better understanding, we have example, mo nimotsu o okurimashite ka. You can answer between the two, hai okurimashita or iye marides. In translation, have you sent the parcel yet? You can answer, yes, I have, or no, not yet. Another example, mo shokodai wo shimashita ka? Iye marides. Or, have you done your homework yet? No, not yet. Another example, mo hirogoan wo tabemashita ka? Hai, tabebimashita. Or, have you already eaten lunch? Yes, I already ate. Another example, mo repoto wo kakimashita ka? Iye marides. Or, have you already written the report? No, not yet. The last one is, mo shawa o abemashita ka? Hai, shawa o abemashita. Or, have you already taken a shower? Yes, I took a shower.